I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your remote to your Transformer 2, so stay tuned. Pairing your remote to your Transformer 2 is a pretty easy process. So let's say your remote became desynced or you had to order a new remote. Here's our new remote. What we're going to do first is we're going to turn the unit on. Then we're going to hold the letter A where it says open down for about 5 seconds. And the scooter should start beeping at you once you let go. Now you're going to press both buttons on the remote at the same time. Now it's going to beep like this. Now we hold the B button down for a few seconds. Let go. The scooter is not beeping anymore. And now the remote works. This has been how to pair your remote to the Transformer 2. If you like this unit, you have any questions, you want to order anything, just give us a call. We'd love to talk to you. Please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.